Okay, guys, today we're going to be taking out my sister's bird without her knowing. So, okay, let's hope this goes well. She's usually pretty stubborn. Been trying to get her out. Okay, guys, today we're gonna be catching, I don't know, female or male bird. You gotta be very careful and sly, like this. Oh God! Oh no! Ah! Let me just try it. Stop it! You're bad. Ah! So funny. Yeah, be good girl. Okay, fine then. Well, let's get out the chameleon. Come on, mister. Mister. No, please, no. No, please, no. God, no. Just please get back over here. Please. Please, please, you with your butthole. You with your butthole. Please, 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 please. Oh, yes. We got him. No. Get off. Get your tail off there now. No, please, no. God, no. Yes, thank you, God. And here is, oh my God. Oh my God. They don't like mirrors, so. Yeah.
Who's that, Mom? Is that Mom?
Making a video. Hey guys, Mr. Nickname's Chemo. His real name is Mildew.
What?
Yes, I named him after cow poop. Chemo for chameleon.
Hi everybody, it's his sister.
I already tried getting your parakeet out, so
Okay.
she's a stubborn little butthole.
That's my
She
little
listen.
bird.
She bit me like 5 different times. So.
Didn't hurt. Here, I'm gonna throw at it. God, Kiki, what the? Okay, everybody. Oh God. Oh, Kiki, stop. Kiki, what the fuck? Ah!
Twang twang.
We're not fine. Alright, come on, little mother.
Here's the 2 doggers. Doggos. We had to lock them up. Well, I did. Because, well, they tried to eat the birds, so, yeah. We have 2 more, but my mom's at work and she's going to wash them. She's a dog groomer. So.
She was a great clip.
Yep, bye. Bye-bye. See ya next time.